France, scientists noticed that a group of prostitutes, we call them prostitutes, but we're not condemning them to say that they are morally bad, okay? Maybe they are morally upright, okay? In any case, their profession was prostitutes. They were all HIV positive, which means in their blood, there are quite a lot of HIV virus. We all know that HIV virus infection leading to a very deadly disease called AIDS, right? Why the virus can cause AIDS? Scientists discovered that the virus actually did a trick to the human immune system when they infect the immune system. They make the T cell wear a marker that turn the entire immune system against that T cell. Basically, it triggers a suicidal immune response. Anyone who has HIV to play that trick, that person's immune system basically is wiped out, because the T cells is responsible to recognize self versus non-self. And when the T cell is killed, the immune system collapses. When the immune system collapses, any invaders can kill you, right? That's why AIDS is a very deadly disease, right? But these prostitutes have HIV, but they don't have the disease. There is interesting. Scientists thought they must have some way to protect themselves from HIV virus. So they took the prostitutes' blood, extracted the serum, analyzed the serum protein, and found a unique clusters of protein. They sequenced it and found it's a new protein. Eventually, they studied the protein. They found this protein actually has the ability to protect the T cell from being killed by the HIV virus, you see? And the prostitute has that molecule, and the regular people, for some reason, they are not expressing that molecule, But guess what? In the Falun Dafa practitioners' messenger RNA, the level is 13-fold higher than the compare group. This is basically saying that when someone work on their mind and elevate their morality and spirituality following the law of the universe, their cells expression, the mind, right? The messages are totally different. They have secret weapons that our body always have, but the modern people, for some reason, lost it. So I predict that the Falun Dafa practitioners, even if you have HIV virus infected, they will not have AIDS disease at all. Okay? So those are primarily, the key discoveries of the first 6 figures. Okay, pause.